Hey everyone, it's Rio Player here, and today's video is going to be me explaining to you guys that I'm starting the new Insanity workout. Shaun T, you may know him, he was the creator of the Insanity workout. I'm starting my trial of 60 days today, on the 6th of December 2013. 2 months later, February the 6th, 2014, is when I stop. This is what I look like now. In 2 months, hopefully, I will be more toner, fitter, and better at everything. They say to dig deeper. I'm digging deeper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. You're coming with me every step of the way. I'll let you know every 2 weeks, every week often, how I'm getting on, progress, pictures and whatnot, how I feel about it. So I'm letting you guys know that this is where it starts, today. So I just wanted to let you know, that's what's happening. The Insanity workout. No one said it was going to be easy. I did my fit test today. That was hard. So, that's all I want to say.